All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, well, we're kind of sort of doing a special edition of what's going on around the shop. In my bay behind me, Dodge Caravan. It's getting an engine. People driving through water is a bad idea. It was a rod knock. Now it's locked up. Fortunately, it ate a lot of water, so it's getting a new engine. Luckily for the customer, they had a warranty or insurance, I'm not sure, but either way, it's getting a used engine from LKQ, so we'll see how that goes. I haven't done a what's going on around the shop because really it hasn't been a whole lot of interesting stuff going on, you know, with the lower shop, and you know, when I go to film, not a whole lot going on, but I figured kind of want to see what's going on, so this is what I get to do. Like I said, we got an LKQ engine, so I already found it needs an oil cooler, so that's as far as I've gotten on the used engine. Pulled the plastic off of it and saw, oh, the oil cooler's leaking, so got that ordered coming from the dealer. Yeah, fun. I miss Bam Bam being up here so he could do some of this heavy line stuff. Now I'm back to it. It's not going to be fun, but it's work. But I figured y'all would want to see a little bit what's going on around the shop. In case you're wondering, there's really not anything interesting going on. There's a Dodge truck that got 4 tires. I need to do an alignment on it tomorrow. There's a comeback for Billy. He's off. A little air in the cooling system, you know, nothing real major. And Cole has a job that I got approved that Billy's missing out on because he's not here. But really not much to show you in the shop. I mean, it's pretty empty right now. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.